Got the moving boxes stacked up by the door, looking for a place with style but trying to save more. Well, unpack your bags, yeah, we've got the key to the smart lifestyle that you've been waiting to see. Down in South Texas where the sun shines bright, we're kicking off a brand new day and doing it right. Oh, welcome home to Merida Vista, feel the rhythm and groove. Right off Loop 20, we've got the perfect move. From La Jolla here in Laredo to the trailwood trees, down to Biloxi's ocean air at Palm Island, Edgewater, Point Breeze. Yeah, we make the good life easy, quality you can trust. Find your perfect place with us. Step on into Merida, look at those all-tile floors, granite countertops shining, open up the doors, turn the ceiling fans on, let the cool breeze flow. Step onto the back patio or the balcony below. Bring your dogs, cats and birds, yeah, the whole family fits. A gated little community where the good life hits. We take Section 8 and the lease is up to you. 3 months to 15, whatever you wanna do. And upstairs right now, we've got a special in line for just $899. Oh, welcome home to Merida Vista, feel the rhythm and groove. Right off Loop 20, we've got the perfect move. From La Jolla here in Laredo to the trailwood trees, down to Biloxi's ocean air at Palm Hill and Edgewater, Point Breeze. Yeah, we make the good life easy, quality you can trust. Find your perfect place with us. Well, you're teaching the kids at Ruiz Elementary School, or nursing at the medical center, staying relaxed and cool. Studying at TAMIU, or working at the bank. We've got a spot for everyone, a team you're gonna thank. Just a short little drive to Independence Hills Park, where the fun keeps on going from dawn until dark. So dial us up today, let the new chapter start. Give Corinthians